You want firm glowing skin without needles or lasers? This at-home LED mask light actually makes your skin go, wait, what? By 6 weeks. Hi friends, it's Ms. Angela Sawyer here, and today we are going to be trying out the Glintskin Light Therapy Mask. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have some instructions right here, and then we have the mask right here. We have an insert for your eyes. So right here on the back, there is a little piece of plastic that we need to pull off. Keeps it nice and protected. And then right here on the front is where we attach the little eye pieces, and we just want to kind of shove them in there. See, and then they come through the back, just like that. So we'll push the other piece through. Okay, and now you have your mask put together, front side and back side. Next we have our remote control for our mask, and that will plug right into the mask. So we will take the rubber band off here, and this right here plugs in just like this. And then we also have a charging cable right here. And the charging cable will plug in to the inside of this right here. So we'll plug that in. And then we do need to charge it fully before we use it. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. This is Glintskin's LED Light Therapy Mask. It's got 280 LEDs, 5 clinically proven wavelengths, blue, red, yellow, near infrared, and deep near infrared. And these lights are used to fight acne, wrinkles, dryness, and dull skin. It's FDA cleared and made for at-home skincare that actually works. So here's how it works. Different wavelengths do different jobs. Blue tackles acne bacteria. Red and near infrared stimulate collagen for firmer and brighter skin. Your cells basically get a pep talk and start working overtime. And the total treatment time is only 10 minutes 3 to 5 times per week, which is perfect for multitaskers, like me. Most users see a brighter, smoother texture starting in 4 to 6 weeks. Deeper anti-aging by 8+ weeks, so consistency is key. No one and done miracles. So here's a pro tip for you. Once you get done using the mask, pair it with hyaluronic acid or peptide serums. Double glow unlocked. So one thing to keep in mind is LED masks aren't made for everyone. Check with a pro if you have light sensitivity, but for most, it's a fun, easy way to upgrade your skincare routine. You might notice I have washed my face. There's no lotion or moisturizer or any oils on my face or debris. You want to make sure your face is nice and clean when using this mask. We'll pull these pieces out here to put it on our head with. And I love the kind of Velcro this has. It sticks to itself, but it doesn't collect a bunch of fuzz, which is really nice. So what we want to do with this is just go ahead and undo the Velcro. It's on there really good. There we go. And then you want to push it through the little hole there and then put it back together. So you have one on, and then you want to do the same thing with the other side. Push it through the hole. And there we go. Now we have one side, and this is the sticky side of the Velcro, so we'll have the soft side on the other side. Okay, and then to apply the mask, we are simply going to place it over our face, letting the eyes rest where the eyes rest, and snapping it in the back. And you just want to Velcro that back so it stays on your face, just like this. This is great. It fits my face surprisingly well, and it feels light. I can move, I can sip coffee, and this is really the Netflix and glow dream. Next thing we're going to do is turn it on. And since I need anti-wrinkle, I'm going to turn it on to the red setting. And then I'll sit here for 10 minutes and wait for it to do its thing. Okay, and the 10 minutes is up, so I'm just going to go ahead and take it off. Okay, now that the light has turned off and I've done my full 10-minute session, I'm going to go ahead and use some facial cream to moisturize my face with. Kind of put a lot on, but You just use whatever works best for you. It's always good to put lotion on your neck as well, especially when you're aging. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit to let you know how everything works out. Okay, so I've been using this light therapy mask for 6 weeks now, and I wanted to give you my honest experience. Because you know, I'm not about to hype something up if it doesn't do anything. If this was just a fancy glowing face helmet, I would definitely let you know. First, let's talk about wearing it, because that was one of my biggest questions before I started. Honestly, it's surprisingly comfortable. Once I put it on, it doesn't feel heavy or awkward, and the light itself does not feel irritating at all. It's just easy to wear. I just sit back, relax, and let it do its thing. And then I'll sit here for 10 minutes and wait for it to do its thing. And honestly, it's become part of my little self-care routine. Now, as far as results, here's what I've noticed after 6 weeks. The first thing is my skin texture. It actually feels smoother. Not in an overnight dramatic transformation way, but when I wash my face, it feels soft and more even. Kind of like my skin's cooperating more than it ever used to. I've also noticed that my skin looks brighter. I wouldn't say I suddenly look 25 again, though if you want to leave me a comment that I do, that's totally cool with me. If that happens, I'll be shouting from the rooftops. But I do look less dull and tired. There's more of a healthy glow there. My fine lines also don't look quite as harsh, especially when I put makeup on. I know, what fine lines, you say? My foundation goes on smoother and it doesn't settle into the lines like it used to, which, as you know, is a huge plus. Now let me be real, this isn't a magic wand. It's not like my wrinkles just ran away and disappeared overnight. But I can tell that something happened and my skin looks healthier overall. From what I've read and from what I'm seeing, 6 weeks is really the early results stage. The bigger collagen and firmness changes are supposed to come with longer use, so I'm going to stick with this for the long haul, because I want to see where this all goes. And just for your reference, here is a before and an after. I do apologize for the lighting on the before. I did not realize it was that terrible until I went to compare it with the after. But as you can see from the before and after, there is a bit of change in the texture of my skin as well as the overall glowiness of my skin. If you're using one of these masks and wondering if it's working, look for those small changes first. Smoother skin, brighter glow, makeup sits on nicer. Those are the signs that it is doing its job. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up so I know that you like these types of beauty reviews. And if you enjoy real-life product testing, simple skincare talks, and sewing projects that you can actually do at home, stick around. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss another upload. And with that being said, I'd like to thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.